Hear me now, my brother, yeah. Reggae was born from struggle, out to pain, out to fight. But it speaks of peace and love tonight. It's not a weapon, no gun, no hate. It's a healing sound, sweet healing sound, oh yeah. No hate, no war, no show of rage. No, leave it behind. Just love, respect, and unity. One love, one heart, one destiny. So when you play it right. When you sing it true. Remember